Hello and welcome to Decentralized YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the two primary categories of wallets when it comes to storing and managing cryptocurrency: hot wallets and cold wallets. Making an informed choice about which type of wallet is appropriate for your needs requires an understanding of the distinctions between the two. Hot wallets are online connected Bitcoin wallets that allow you to send and receive transactions at any time, making it easy to access your money. They're great for daily transactions and trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. Hot wallets include online wallets offered by exchanges as well as desktop, mobile, and hardware wallets. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are a type of cryptocurrency wallet that is not connected to the internet. They are frequently used for the long-term storage of significant sums of cryptocurrency due to their better level of security. The private keys of the user are often stored offline using cold wallets, which are typically pieces of hardware like a USB drive or specialized hardware. Hot wallets are more convenient to use and are a popular option for those who are new to cryptocurrencies and want to try it out without committing to a long-term storage solution. However, they are more susceptible to hacking and other forms of cyber attacks since they are connected to the internet. It's not advisable to store significant sums of cryptocurrency in hot wallets. Cold wallets, on the other hand, provide a better level of security due to the fact that they are not online. They are less susceptible to hacking and other forms of cyber threats. However, they are less convenient to use, making it difficult to send and receive transactions or check your balance. The type of wallet that's right for you will depend on your individual needs and the quantity of cryptocurrency you intend to keep. A hot wallet can be your best option if you're new to cryptocurrencies and merely intend to use them for routine transactions. However, a cold wallet is the more secure choice if you want to keep significant quantities of cryptocurrency for a lengthy time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about Web3, NFT, Metaverse, AI, tech, blockchain, decentralized finance, and crypto. We invite you to visit our website at decentralized.com, type 1 instead of I, where you can find more resources and information on decentralization. We also invite you to join us on Telegram, and follow us on our social media channels. Links are in the description of this video. Did you enjoy watching the video? Let us know in the comment below.